Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this one I'm going to show you how to use Discord. To tell you the truth, at first I didn't like Discord very much. It seemed really confusing and overwhelming, but the more I learned about it and the further I got into it, the more I realized how powerful it was. So I am going to show you how to download, get into Discord and use it, because we're going to use this to do live walkthroughs. I'm going to walk people through different things in my community, in the Nifty Farm community. And so I've made it easy. I've got the links here at niftyfarm.com/Discord. Okay. You can just type that in. You're going to see this page here. You'll probably be seeing this. You're seeing this as a placeholder, but you'll see this video here. If you already have Discord downloaded, then you can go ahead and just click this button to join our Discord. If you haven't, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. If you don't have Discord and you don't know what it is, go ahead and click this button, and it's going to open up a new window, and it's going to take you to download the official discord.com/download website, right? So you can download it for Windows. You can get it on iOS and Android. However, there's some features on the mobile devices that kind of are frustrating when you have like a bunch of conversations going on where you like accidentally click one, then it takes you out of there. So I actually recommend using either the Mac version for Apple users or the Windows version. Okay, so I already have Discord here. I've already got it on this computer. So just go ahead and download it. That's the first thing you need to download and install it. And I'm going to go here. You're going to sign up for Discord when you join the server. If you haven't, it'll prompt you to do that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like from the very beginning in the Nifty Farm community. So I'm going to go ahead and sign with the QR code because I have it on my phone, but you can just sign in with your email and your password. Okay. So it's going to, I'm approving it on my phone. All right. So it's added me to this community, right? This is the new community, the Nifty Farm community. I'm going to walk you through this brand new, how we're going to organize it and what the features are. And then I'm going to show you a channel that has some things going on already, so you can kind of get a feel for what it would look like. Okay, so when you come into the Nifty Farm community, it's a brand new community, just a brand new server. It says down here, you need to complete a few more steps before you can talk. So we need to complete. All you need to do is make sure you understand the rules. Okay, so make sure you read these rules, understand the rules. Go ahead and click, I have read the rules and agreed to the rules. Submit. Okay, so now you are in this community, in the Discord. Okay, so on the right, I've added a few little bots here to track ETH price. So you're going to see the Ethereum price, and you're also going to see the gas price. Okay, so currently the gas price here is 151 for fast, 146 for medium, and 140 for slower. Okay, so I thought that was helpful to put that in here. Okay, so on the left, you're going to see what we call channels. Okay, so there's the welcome channel. Here's the announcements channel. You're going to see announcements here. The one that you're going to be really interested in here is the voice and video channels. This is the community hangout, right? It kind of walks you through it. But this is where, when you click on here, you're going to see the people who are logged into this community hangout, and we can talk with audio. So if you can use your microphone to talk through here, and I can screen share in here. So I can walk you through, we can ask questions and things like that in this area. Okay, so this is where a lot of this stuff is going to go down. Okay, so just to leave this, right, you have turn your camera on. This is to share your screen button here. This is to mute you or unmute, and this is to disconnect from the community hangout. So I click that button, I'm out. Okay, there's an audio lounge, same similar thing. You can join this audio lounge and we can talk to each other, right? There's video enabled there. To get out of there, again, disconnect. So I've got this organized into different areas, and this can change with time, but this is how it generally works, right? So we have an introduce yourself channel, right? In here, again, this is a brand new server, so there's nothing in here, but I want to show you how it works. In here, you can introduce yourself, right? We're going to have general chat here. We're going to share events and drops in this channel. And then I want to keep all the promotions, right, to promoting your work here to this channel. Okay, here's a channel where we can collaborate. So see, the power of this is that we can organize the conversations. Like, I know we're using Facebook groups, but conversations get lost there, right? And if you have a specific question, other people may have the same question. I want to have special areas where those questions get answered. Okay. So we're going to have a FAQ section, frequently asked questions. This will get built out over time. Questions that people keep asking. I know some of the questions that people have. I'll put them in here. And if you need help, I want you to come to this channel and ask for help, right? Other people can jump in here and help as well. I'll be in here answering people's questions. And then also, if you have any ideas or feedback, let's use this channel. Then below here, we can talk about crypto, if you want to get into that conversation. Below here, I have marketplace news. So I have set up links to different marketplaces. So when they post announcements in their servers, in their Discord servers, we're going to get them here. Okay. So OpenSea, when they post announcements in their channel, you'll see them here. So one from Wax already came. This is an announcement. So this is like better than having to go to all the different channels. You'll see all these circles over here for all the servers that you're in. It can kind of get overwhelming. And I'm going to show you how to fix that. I'm going to log into my other account, my main account, where I have all my servers so you can see what it looks like. But anyway, this is the news section. So I'm going to be adding marketplaces that have announcement channels, and I'm reaching out to all of them so we can kind of curate and have news from the different NFT marketplace channels. Okay. So then I have other NFT communities. So other NFT communities that are cool to go hang out in and learn from, I have here. So the NFT Superstars, this is announcements from them. This is a channel that we have a official community in. So if you go to, you see the link here, the NFT Superstars, you can click that link. And I'm going to use my other profile to show you what it looks like. But you click that link and it'll take you to that server. So this is what the channels are. So hopefully that explains that. You can click these, these are called categories to open and expand them, right? Make them bigger, make them smaller, right? Same thing, creator hangout. So if you're looking for something or there's a ton of channels, then you can reduce the space that it's taking, right? So let me switch over. Oh, also biggest part, right? Messages. Let's just do, let's go to the introduce yourself. This is a test, right? This is where you would, let's say, what's up, fam? What's up, fam? That's how you we're going to be able to communicate here, right? This is where you would talk. You can add images and video with that link right there, that button. So this button to add files or whatever, you can add a GIF. So you can look through here, pick GIFs and do that. You can add emojis here. So that's essentially the gist of this. Let me actually show you the process of signing out, but you really wouldn't need to. You can click, I did that really fast. You see my usernames down here? You can mute yourself. You can deafen. So like if people are talking, you can click that button to mute it so you don't have to hear anything. And then this is your user settings. Okay, this is where all your settings are going to be. And you can scroll down here, you can click log out. So I'm actually going to log out here because I'm going to log into my other one. So here I am logged into my actual Discord channel. I just wanted to show you what a new account would look like. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into NFT Superstars. So they are collecting a bunch of different communities here. So it's pretty cool. If you scroll down here on the left, you can find our community, the niftyfarm.com community. I encourage you guys to be here. Now, this place is cool because there's different communities. So like the Rare Pizzas communities here, the Nifty Pogs. So you're going to meet a bunch of other people in this space by just, scrolling through these channels, right? And these are official, these are managed by community leaders, right? You can see the different people here that are part of these different communities. But what I really wanted to address really quick is the overwhelm that you're going to feel when you have all these freaking channels, right? So what you could do is you could literally take a channel, click on it, and drag it over another one, and you can create these folders, right? So now you can, like, all the NFT marketplace channels, the Discord servers, I have them all in one. So when I go to click here, I can see these are all the NFT marketplaces that I am a part of their Discord, right? And I can just click it back and it makes it smaller. That'll kind of help you to organize this a little bit better, right? So let's hop into the Pizza DAO. see what's going on here. See, this is a channel that has a lot of stuff going on, right? If you're not familiar with Rare Pizzas, it's a really amazing NFT project. There's over 300 artists currently. I'm a part of it. I'm in the Pizza Mafia. My name is Don Pantalone. And I created, I submitted some work for the Pizza Pop NFTs that they're doing. So anyway, if you are interested in that, go ahead and check out rarepizzas.com. But you see what it looks like. Like, things are really organized. Like, this is a fully functioning project, an NFT project where there's a community and they're collaborating and working together. And so this is eventually what the NFTYfarm.com or Nifty Farm Discord server will look like eventually. So hopefully that answers your questions around Discord. And if you need any help or you have any other questions, feel free to hop in here and ask a question. If you need help setting it up, just go ahead and post your question in the Facebook group for now. But I think this is going to be a good place for us to hop into the community rooms right here, the hangout rooms. Again, you just click that. That's how you join. And when you click it again, you're going to see there could be 30 people in here, and you'll see live, and you can watch the people's streams. So you can watch my stream and hear me talking, and I can walk you through stuff at the same time. So hopefully that helps. Again, any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day. Later.